Namaskar Mitro, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we will see how to solve unbalanced problem. Till now, we have discussed how to solve balanced problem for transportation problem using northwest corner cell method, least cost method, and column minima method. In all that three cases, we were having balanced problem. So today we'll see how to solve unbalanced problem and to solve the unbalanced problem, we have to first convert it into balanced problem. So first of all, what is unbalanced problem? You can see that the summation of supply here is 900 and summation of demand is 1200. In balanced problem, the summation of supply and summation of demand were coming out to equal. Here, as the demand exceeds the supply by 300 units, we have to compensate this 300 units somewhere. So what we are going to do is we are introducing a dummy row. As the supply uh, quantity is less, we will introduce a dummy row. If the demand quantity is less, we will introduce a dummy column. So we are introducing let's say company 4. Here you can see that this is a balance problem. The company 4 is dummy row, so we'll introduce a company 4 and we'll allocate 300 units supply. As 300 units are less, we'll give 300 allocation to company 4. And the cost matrix of now you can see that here in all these four blocks I would written 0 just because it is a dummy row, so there is no real existence of company 4, so there is no charges from company 4 to destination 1 2 3 4. So I would the cost is 0 per unit. So now it is converted into a balance problem and we'll solve it. Now we can solve it by any method. So I will solve for least cost method. So you can see that in first the minimum uh, uh, cost is this 0. You can take any 0. I am taking this 0. So uh, the demand is 250 and supply is 300. So demand is exhausted completely and here it is 50 and we'll allocate 250 here. As the demand 1 is exhausted, destination 1 is exhausted, so we'll cancel out the first column. Now for second iteration, we'll see the least cost in this block. So you can take any, again you can take any 0. I am taking this 0. So here demand is 350 and supply is 50. So we'll cancel out this supply and here it will be 300. And again allocation is here 50. Now as the C4 is exhausted completely, we'll cancel out this row. Now we'll see it in iteration 3. We'll see for minimum in these blocks. So it is this one. So 300 and 300 allocation of for this one. 300 and 300 it is the same. So we'll cancel out both first column and C1 row. Moving further, 2953. So 2. So in 2 we are having supply 200, demand 200. So again we'll cancel out D4 column and we'll cancel out C3 row. Now only one element is remaining 5 and it is having demand of 400 and 400. So again you can cross verify. It's coming out to be same and allocation is 400. Now total cost is, as you know, multiplication summation of multiplication of each price of each unit into number of unit supplied. So here 5 into 400, this is this 1 into 50, then plus 2 into 200, this 2 into 200, plus this 5 into 400. So I'm writing here as there is zero allocation here, so will there is no existence, so where there is no meaning of writing this. So the total cost coming out is 450 plus this 2000, that is 2450. So you can check, you can also solve it by yourself and you can cross verify it. 2450, this is our total cost. If you haven't watched the video for balanced problem, you can visit my playlist of optimization research. In that you can find for the balanced problem that all three methods: northwest corner cell, least cost, and column minima. Here you can see that unbalanced problem is converted into balanced problem. So, and after converting in balanced problem, you can solve it by any method you are preferable. So the feasible solution using least cost method, here it's coming out to be 2450. The cost is, total cost is 2450. Thank you.